Dive into the world of unparalleled clarity and immersive sound with the 55" iFFALCON U62 4K Smart TV. Its edgeless design and slim bezels pull you into a viewing experience that feels boundless. The TV shines with its 4000 resolution and 60 Hz refresh rate, ensuring every scene is displayed in stunning detail and smooth motion. HDR10 and micro-dimming technologies work together to enhance the contrast ratio to 5000:1, bringing out the best in eye-catching brightness, deep shadows, and vibrant colors. At its core, the U62 is powered by a robust quad-core CPU and a dual-core GPU, making it a powerhouse for handling any content. Audio is not an afterthought, with 9.5W stereo speakers, featuring Dolby Audio for an enveloping sound experience. Connectivity is versatile, offering dual-band Wi-Fi, 3x HDMI 2.1 ports, and a 3.5mm jack. Running on Google TV OS, it provides an intuitive interface, Google Assistant for voice commands, and seamless smart home integration. The TV's HDR capabilities ensure a viewing experience with exceptional brightness and color. Dynamic color enhancement brings a new level of vibrancy to every image. Dolby Audio enhances every sound, ensuring you hear all the details with clarity and depth. Google TV keeps you entertained with endless content options, personalized recommendations, and easy voice control. HDMI 2.1 enhances your audio-visual experience, making it more immersive than ever. Lastly, the bezel-less design ensures that you are as close to the action as possible, making every viewing experience extraordinary.